Red, white, and blue, I want to craft with you. It is the season to do all of our fun patriotic crafts and celebrations. And today I'm going to show you how to make a really easy flower flag front door hanger. So here is what you need for today's project. We're going to be using fabric faux flowers. We have a wood board that's going to be our hanger. We're also going to be using the Aleene's Quick Dry Fabric Fusion. And to add some color to our flowers, we're going to be using the Tulip ColorShot Instant Fabric Color Spray Paint in blue and red. All right, are you ready? Let's start crafting. For your first step, what you want to do is actually lay your flowers out on your board so you can determine how many flowers you need and which ones you need to spray red and blue. Now that we know how many we need of blue and how many we need of red, I'm gonna spray my red ones first. Make sure that you shake your can and you spray it in sweeping motions about 6 to 8 inches away from the flowers and let it dry in between coats. All right, once your flowers are all dry, it's time to lay out our flag. We want to position all of our flowers first in the flag pattern before we glue them. You can see that I fiddled around a little bit till I got the perfect configuration. Now it's time to use the Aleene's Quick Dry Fabric Fusion to glue each one of our flowers on. I love the Quick Dry because it dries 50% faster. It's also clear, and if you're using it on other fabric projects, it's nice and flexible when it dries. Check out how great our flag turned out. I love it, and guess what? That glue dried super quick. To find out more about the Aleene's Quick Dry Fabric Fusion and the other Fabric Fusion products, make sure you visit Aleene's website. You can also find other great projects from other creators like me and follow them over on social. And as always, follow me at CraftboxGirls and visit craftboxgirls.com for other great projects using my favorite Aleene's products. All right, that's it. I hope you have fun. Enjoy all of your patriotic celebrations. It's time for me to go hang this up. Bye, friends. Happy crafting.